Preheat the oven, a simple guide to cooking terms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase in cooking: preheat the oven. Whether you're a budding chef or just curious about English cooking terms, this video will clarify what this phrase means and how it's used in everyday language. Preheat the oven might sound technical, but it's actually quite simple. To preheat means to turn on your oven and let it warm up to a certain temperature before you start cooking. Think of it like warming up your car on a cold day. This step is crucial in cooking and baking as it ensures your food cooks evenly and for the correct duration. Preheating the oven is not just a fancy step. It's essential for many recipes. For instance, when baking a cake or roasting vegetables, starting with the right temperature means your food will cook properly from the moment it enters the oven. Without preheating, your cooking time gets thrown off, and food might not cook evenly. Let's break it down. 1. Turn on the oven. Set your oven to the required temperature. This will be specified in your recipe. 2. Wait. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes for an oven to reach the desired temperature. 3. Check the indicator. Most ovens have a light or a beep to indicate that they've reached the set temperature. Skipping the step. Don't rush and skip preheating. It's there for a reason. Not waiting long enough. Ensure your oven has reached the correct temperature before starting to cook. Overlooking oven variations. Different ovens heat up at different rates. Know your oven. And that's it. Preheat the oven is a simple yet important step in cooking and baking. We hope this video helps clarify this common cooking term. Happy cooking, and see you in our next English language learning video.